3, 2, 1.
Wow, so great! The watermelon is so delicious. What's happened?
I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge.
The watermelon is so fresh.
But my boobs are huge.
How much is this watermelon? You buy it. This watermelon is 3 bills for 1. Is this all the money you have? You don't have enough money. Leave now. Watermelon, it's so delicious. I need to think of a way.
Stop! What happened?
If you eat watermelon seeds, they'll grow into a tree in your stomach. It hurts so much! Oh no!
The watermelon is mine now.
Hey, don't eat that!
If you eat watermelon, your stomach will get as big as a ball, and then the seeds will grow into a tree.
If you eat watermelon seeds, they'll grow into a tree in your stomach.
That's not it. Watermelon seeds don't grow into trees. You all have been tricked by her. Come on, eat up.
Sakit kepala? Panadol Extra. Sat-sat redakan sakit kepala dan nyeri mengganggu.
Nyut. Cobain pakai Sensodyne. Dan ternyata hasilnya, wow!
Why does my stomach hurt like this? What's happened? My stomach hurts so much. Please help me.